Y esto será un recuerdo.
Será un recuerdo.
Sí. Good morning, guys. Welcome back to another video. Thank you so much for clicking on. It's good to see all of you beautiful, happy peeps again today, smiling because it's Friday, you know it. Making the world a smaller place. Today we're going to be doing some photos with strangers again. I'm going to be using a setup that you guys really like. We're going to be using the Canon 250D SL3 and we're going to be using the 50mm f1.8 prime lens as well to go with it. Get some super sexy looking footage and we're here in the park trying to find our first victim. Hola, ¿vosotros con gente desconocida? Sí, te...
No.
Me gustaría una foto y te las puedo mandar.
Ah, ok.
Sí, después. Super.
Aqui?
No,
Ah,
aquí,
lá?
creo que sí.
Ah, boa, olha só.
Yeah.
Where?
So if you want to stand over here,
Não basta a foto.
maybe go a little bit further over here. Okay, nice. So first of all, looking at me. Okay, nice. Just stay perfect, just like that. Now can I get you looking up just away from here? Yep, stay there. Kind of over here.
Lá.
Nice. And can I get you to hold your bag like with this hand, keep it out? Okay, nice.
Got a dopamine rush, got a major league crush when you're next to me. Got my heart upon my sleeve, can I hide the
Karine, where are you from?
Italy.
Italy, okay. So new word today, guys, Karine.
Karine is like cute, pretty.
Ah, like Linda?
Yes.
Linda?
Yeah, Linda.
Cool.
I don't really speak Spanish, but
Ah, okay.
yeah.
Sorry.
Perfect. Thank you.
Okay, nice to meet you guys.
Thank you. Bye.
See ya. Okay, awesome. Actually, weird. Do you guys speak in English?
Yes,
Little. What other language?
Serbian.
Yeah, we're doing a video photos with strangers. So I can take a photo of you guys in any case.
Okay, there's no problem.
And afterwards the camera too. Don't even need to try, guys. They're coming to me today. Okay, awesome. Over here.
Okay.
But separate. So one each.
Okay.
Yeah.
One and one.
One and one. Get one looking at the time. Yep. Stay like that. And now at me, hands in pockets, stay like that, perfect.
Let me tell you about me, take it down in 1, 2, 3. I don't like my boys too sweet, I don't want
Nice, perfect. YouTube. Okay.
Rotation.
Up, rotate. Like next. Okay, and one more.
Skinny mask.
Ah, Mimi Masku.
Да, я понимаю по-русски.
Ah, хорошо. Okay, давай. Perfect. Okay, сейчас туда смотри. Yeah, okay, nice.
По-колумбу. Плохо просто.
Over here, man? Yeah. Over there? Yeah.
Please, you send me picture.
Yeah, of course.
Brother, thank you very much.
And
Bravo, bravissimo.
okay,
Bye.
Bye. Sagrada's a good place today. Sagrada's a good place. Guys, nobody's saying no to me. I just want someone to say no to me. I think I'm gonna ask that girl there with the dog. So I said that I wanted someone to say no to me, so I got what I wanted. I got what I wanted. So I'm not sure if you guys can see, but he's actually painting Sagrada Familia, so which is really cool.
Are you like a YouTuber? Or something?
Yeah, because we're doing a video now anyway, taking photos with strangers.
Oh, okay.
So perfect. I can get you one on your phone and with this one.
Sure. Oh, okay. It will be
So,
wonderful.
Awesome. Guys, I'm manifesting them today. Where are you from?
Italy.
Italy.
Yeah.
Hey, that's second Italian. We're meeting all of the Italians today.
Oh, really?
All of the Italians are here.
Okay. You tell me what to do, okay?
Okay, cool. Okay. Awesome. Yes, looking back in this direction up here. You're like, hey baby. Awesome. And let's get one as well with your foot kicked up on the, yeah. Again, hands in the pocket, a little bit of a lean. Nice.
Okay, thank you so much.
No problem.
Have a wonderful
good
day.
one. People here are loving it. Hey, antes de salir, estamos grabando un video sacando fotos con gente desconocida y busco personas para sacar fotos. ¿Quieres una foto?
Tenemos un minuto.
Vale. Sí. Súper rápido. Entonces. Yes, again. Okay, and let's go. You're looking at me. Yes, perfect. I like this one because it's more chill, you know? Nice, perfect. Yeah. Okay, cool. Now you can jump into it. Yeah. Okay, now both looking in this direction, same way. Yeah. Little dog.
1, 2, 3, phone is buzzing up, beep beep. I don't care about you, I just care about me. So you better run, run.
Thank you
Okay,
guys.
perfect. Thank you. You too.
Bye.
Bye. I think I've seen you training in MacFit before. Were you training in MacFit?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
I
do.
think I've seen you on there before.
Ah, really?
Hey guys, put it on. Hey guys, put it on. Entonces busco personas para sacar. Me gusta tu estilo, si quieres una foto.
Uy, que me da mucha
Conta.
vergüenza. Mira, él sí quiere una foto.
A ver, ¿o los dos?
No, es que a mí me da mucha vergüenza
Sí,
las
¿juntos?
fotos. Yo
Amor,
yo
no
soy
son
Chicos, juntos.
Ya,
Solo
no,
una,
ya.
¿qué es una foto? Solo una foto.
¿Y cómo nos ponemos?
Solo una
Si tú me dices
foto.
cómo me pongo, ¿qué hago?
Sí, te digo.
¿Cómo me pongo?
Juntos, ¿no?
Sí, pero ¿cómo?
Entonces.
¿Y qué hago? Es que...
Caminando, andando.
No. Mira, juntos, aguanta. Chicos, estáis una pareja, ¿verdad?
Sí.
Vale, entonces puedes mirar juntos como natural.
Ya está.
If I want to get like this, maybe one person pointing up and then both of you guys looking together.
Okay.
Ah, ok.
Like this.
¿Señalas?
Yeah.
Like this.
Ah, vale.
Yeah.
Okay.
And then you guys are looking like, oh wow.
Oh,
Okay.
wow.
Okay.
But I swear to God, you guys look so good, and every time someone says they're not photogenic,
Yeah.
they're like professional models.
No. It's not the case. It's not the case.
This is good.
Vale.
Muy bien, chicos.
Perfecto.
Buen día.
Gracias.
Adiós. ¿Quién es?
¿Para qué es la foto?
¿Ah?
¿Para qué es?
YouTube.
Ah,
Es
YouTube.
que tengo un canal de YouTube, un blog de fotografía y videografía. Sí, con gente desconocida. Sí. Nueva Zelanda. ¿Tú?
Originalmente de Alemania.
¿Alemania?
Ya.
Vale. ¿Y tú?
Y aquí tenemos.
Yo de Brasil.
Brasil.
Sí, vivo aquí.
Súper. Ojo.
Es que somos viejos amigos. Y esto será un recuerdo.
Será un recuerdo.
Sí.
Pues muy bien.
Vale, Antonio, ¿me miras? Ahora. Nice. Y ahora me miras.
What is
Ciao,
your
ciao.
purpose?
To be honest, I love meeting strangers, taking photos of people. I'm a videographer and photographer here in Barcelona anyway, but I do this every now and then for, you never know who you're going to meet, you know? I have like so many friends like this, and people really seem to enjoy it.
Apparently.
Yeah,
Okay.
so it's amazing, like, yeah.
Sí.
It's crazy you said that because there was like an older woman that I took a photo of not that long ago in Russia. She said the same thing. She was like, you made me feel like somebody is taking me out of the crowd, like seen in this place, so it's really nice. Nos vemos. Vale, adiós, gracias.
Buena suerte.
But she kind of looks like she's looking for someone, you know? Hola. Estamos grabando un video sacando fotos con gente desconocida y busco personas para sacar fotos. Si quieres una...
Uy, no, mira, estoy vigilando.
Yeah.
Estoy vigilando a mis hijas que suban a casa y tengo que entrar a trabajar ahora. o sea
Vale,
que-
es lo que dije, creo que...
Claro.
Mira algo.
Y voy a trabajar.
Vale, pero si quieres, puedes mirar y yo puedo sacar una foto así.
No, pero ya
Me gusta mucho tu estilo.
¿Pero a dónde va la foto?
Un canal de YouTube.
Pero ¿y qué?
Sacando fotos con gente desconocida.
Bueno, si haces la foto rápido.
Súper.
La chica, porque tengan suerte.
Sí, vale. Nice. Okay, next victim, guys. Next victim. Hola. Hola, estamos grabando un video sacando fotos con gente desconocida. Me gusta mucho tu estilo como girl y tal. Si te gustaría una foto, te las puedo mandar. Sí, súper.
¿Qué quieres que me ponga?
Vale. Perfect. Yes, with the buildings in the background. Muy bien. Perfecto, así.
Take it down in 1, 2, 3. I don't like my boys too sweet. I don't worry about you. I just worry about me. So you better run. You don't know what I need. Take it down in 1, 2, 3. Phone is buzzing up, beep beep. I don't care about you. I just care about me. So you better run.
Right, guys? All Italians today.
Where are you from? ¿De dónde?
New Zealand.
A mí me encanta hacer fotos. ¿Dónde la puedo ver?
YouTube.
Queda ver. Bueno.
Sí, adiós,
Bye,
encantado.
bye.
See you later. Bye bye.
Bye bye.
Ah, ¿para pagar o free?
No, gracias.
Vale. Vale,
Muy bien,
muchas gracias.
vale, adiós. Es para mi canal de YouTube.
Vale, vale.
¿Sí? ¿Te gustó?
Vale, venga.
Super. Muy bien, gracias por participar. Adiós, chao. Hola, busco personas para sacar fotos. Saco fotos de gente desconocida. Ajá.
Vale, entonces me las vas a mandar.
¿Ah?
¿Me las puedes mandar luego?
Sí, claro. Sí.
Pero pocas, ¿no?
Ajá. Sí. Bueno, aquí si quieres. Vení loco. Vean chula. Vean súper chula. Pero blanco. Es chula. Yeah. Ajá. Okay, super.
Luego, si me quieres mandar, te doy el móvil.
Muy bien, sí, perfecto.
Para que me mandes las fotos, si quieres.
Muy bien, muy bien.
A ver qué tal te veo. Vaya bien.
Gracias.
A ti. Adiós, chao.
Sí, you're so nice. And cool.